Experiencing step counting problems with your Google Fitbit Inspire 3? You're not alone. Released in 2022, this budget friendly tracker has had its share of step tracking glitches. Since Google's acquisition of Fitbit, they've actively addressed these issues with firmware updates. The good news is that most problems are now resolvable through software fixes. We'll walk you through common causes and effective solutions. The Fitbit Inspire 3 uses a 3-axis accelerometer to detect movement in 3 dimensions. This sensor works alongside an optical heart rate sensor to track your activity. Algorithms analyze the sensor data to distinguish walking and running from other movements. Proper step counting requires calibration based on your height, weight, and stride length entered in the app. The data syncs accurately with Google Fit through software integration. Avoid interference by wearing the tracker properly on your wrist, not under clothing. If your Inspire 3 isn't counting steps, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart your device. This clears temporary glitches that might be affecting step counting. Then, force quit and reopen the Fitbit app. This refreshes the connection and resolves app-related issues. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and connected to the Inspire 3. Poor connectivity can prevent data sync. Finally, make sure you're running the latest version of the Fitbit app and the Inspire 3's firmware. Updates fix known bugs that cause step counting problems. These simple steps resolve many common software glitches. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check for firmware updates within the Fitbit app. Google rolls out updates to improve step detection. Verify your personal settings like height, weight, and stride length in the app are accurate, as these affect calibration. Also, check app permissions to ensure the Fitbit app has the necessary access to track your activity data. Inaccurate settings can lead to miscounting. External factors can interfere with step counting on your Inspire 3. Avoid wearing the tracker too loosely or under clothing, as this can dampen the sensor readings. Experiment with wearing the tracker on your non-dominant wrist, as some users find this improves accuracy. Be aware that extreme temperatures can also affect sensor performance. If these fixes don't work, move on to other troubleshooting steps. While most issues are software-related, hardware defects can occur. If your Inspire 3 consistently fails to count steps after trying all software fixes, or if it displays other unusual behavior, a faulty accelerometer might be to blame. In rare cases like this, contact Fitbit support for warranty claims or possible replacements. Many users have shared success stories online after fixing step counting problems. One common solution involves updating the firmware through the Fitbit app. Another frequent fix is adjusting wrist placement. Users report better accuracy when wearing the tracker on their non-dominant wrist and ensuring it's snug but comfortable. Corporate wellness programs have demonstrated significant improvements in step tracking accuracy. After providing training on proper device calibration, employees saw their daily activity reporting increase by about 5%. While hardware failures can occur, they are relatively rare. Most issues stem from software glitches or improper usage, making them easier to resolve through simple troubleshooting. User communities, such as forums and social media groups dedicated to fitness trackers, provide valuable troubleshooting tips and shared experiences that can help resolve step counting issues quickly. The future of fitness trackers brings greater AI-driven adaptive tracking. The Inspire 3 already uses Google's AI to correct step anomalies in real time, improving accuracy as you move. Looking ahead, advancements like quantum sensors in future models promise near-perfect 99% precision by 2027, eliminating most step counting errors. Wearable tech will evolve into hybrid health tech ecosystems, seamlessly syncing with smart home devices for comprehensive activity monitoring. Experts predict 30% market growth in AI-optimized fitness trackers by 2030, driven by rising health awareness and improved accuracy. By understanding these trends, you can better optimize your fitness tracking experience and address issues as they arise, staying ahead in the world of health technology.